People, when they come to the studio, I tell them to bring stickers. I didn't finish it. Few Web3, there's music stuff, there's random packs I got on like Etsy, Amazon.
What does on-chain summer mean for you?
As a creative, I'm into the narrative. I like building, and I like that that's what they're pushing, as opposed to maybe like trading and chasing the next trend or the next hot thing.
By the end of onchain summer,
I'm juggling so many projects right now. So let's just say that by the end of the on-chain summer, I hope to get something done.
One of my favorite answers, besides I hope to have a ton.
We'll see. We'll see about that because I'm in here. It's hard to get it.
What's your highest priority right now?
I would say family and music.
why are you releasing your music on Base?
I was looking for somewhere to put out an album. And even though I use the platforms, I saw bass kind of start really picking up, I think last fall. And I love the energy. I know they're pushing a lot on like consumer crypto and things like that. And as an artist, like you're trying to reach people, you're trying to get discovered. So I've been in crypto since 2017. But I didn't really start doing anything as an artist till like 2020.
What's your unpopular opinion?
I would say with music, we got to take more risks and not just limit ourselves to just NFTs or music NFTs, NFTs with audio or music, and like actually use the technology for other things.
What are the top 3 channels for you to follow on Webcast?
I like design, food. I like the food channel. I like role building stuff and anything with Latin music. I automatically follow those channels.
You were actually one of the first people I saw in the Latin music channel. I
saw it right away. I was like,
who would you nominate to join us next?
There's a few Latin communities. There's one called Música Web 3. There's Future X. There's Jamie, Sound of Fractures. And then one more would be Black Dave. He has a group chat and we're actively talking about music.
What's your favorite on-chain summer drink?
Mojito.
What's your favorite on-chain summer playlist?
I listen to so many playlists. I would say like Baila Reggaeton or something along those lines. Has to be reggaeton in Latin. It's funny because like one of the producers I work with, he's in Argentina and it's winter over there. But like I'm in summer mode. So I'm asking him for music, but I'm like, don't make it sad. You know, like I need like upbeat stuff. Like I need energy.
If you had to describe your music style in 3 words.
It's 2 words, but melting pot. I'm just influenced by a lot of sounds, music, artists, genres. And then I kind of combine all that into one thing and
Are you up for a challenge?
Sure, let's do it. Let's see. I'm gonna go with purple because that's part of like the album cover has that purple art.
Share your first song. So
I can share one of the first ones I ever put out.
when did you start making music?
So I started writing, then I started producing, and then as an artist, I started maybe like 10, 12 years ago.